Hi, I'm Tristan Wallace, Product Marketing Manager for BIM 360 on the Construction Business Line team. I'm very excited to cover the updates to the BIM 360 products as we continue to roll out the next generation platform. Let's start with the challenges project teams are facing today. As disparate teams work together, it's not easy to deliver based in different locations and delivering on different scopes of work. Coordinating project milestones, juggling data handover, and contract requirements lead to even more customer challenges. And as projects become more complex, data is being rapidly iterated at a high frequency across all teams. Bad information and data silos across companies lead to the massive waste that is prevalent in delivering projects, and distributed teams are hurt by delays in communications and often waste a lot of time searching for the right project information. Every single time a handover occurs between teams or across phases or workflows, a data loss occurs, which leads to inefficiency and risk. As a result, traditional project delivery methods are no longer adequate. Due to these coordination issues and others, technology solutions are becoming extremely important to the project delivery process. In fact, according to Boston Consulting Group, implementation of a cloud technology solution can impact project lifecycle costs by 15% and cut construction time by up to 30%. The argument for technology innovation in design and construction is very clear, and no new project should be started without a very clear technology strategy. And at Autodesk, we've been delivering point solutions over the past few years for design customers and construction customers in a somewhat bifurcated way. We delivered design collaboration on BIM 360 Team and a host of construction workflows with the new Docs environment, but now we're finally delivering the vision to connect these technologies together in a much more meaningful way. This is why we've brought these things together into a single platform that supports design, build, and operate. BIM 360 is our new cloud platform for AEC project delivery and construction management. This next generation platform removes the need for single point application and unifies project data. BIM 360 aggregates that data, provides transparency to all project stakeholders, makes everyone more accountable, and improves visibility in real time. This leads to better project profitability and predictability. I'm excited to share with you the details of this next generation BIM 360 platform and how we're packaging it. Built on top of the Autodesk Forge cloud development platform, the platform starts with the digitization of the project, housing all project information in one place. BIM 360 as your common data platform. Whether you're doing cloud work sharing, performing clash detection, producing field reports, or issuing RFIs and submittals, information handover is automated, and you begin to be able to unleash the power of data through analytics and insight. We've put together the packaging for this new platform in a way that will simplify how we offer BIM 360, as well as customize the packaging for the personas that need to use the project as the project progresses from design through construction. BIM 360 Docs is the foundation for all stakeholders on a project and is where project information is stored. As any AEC project kicks off, this is where it should start. It's the place to centralize, control information, and give access to all team members. Built on top of Docs as a superset, we have 3 premium process management products. Design teams will start their work in BIM 360 Design. It's our next generation design collaboration solution for controlled work sharing and milestone and deliverable tracking across teams. As the project moves towards construction, contractors and BDC managers will work in the next generation of BIM 360 Glue, now available and connected to the same common data platform for model coordination, constructability reviews. Tasks such as clash detection are automated, allowing insights to be provided in real time to inform the project. And as the project gets to the construction site, the construction team will work in BIM 360 Build, our next generation field management and project management solution. I'm excited to share that BIM 360 Build now also includes RFI and submittal workflows, keeping critical project data centralized and accessible. In terms of how these packages are priced, there's very few changes to what you're used to today. BIM 360 is still sold under our user pack business model, and pricing has not changed from previous offerings with the exception of BIM 360 Design, which has a slightly higher price than Collaboration for Revit. BIM 360 Docs remains the entry point to the BIM 360 platform and can be utilized for all project stakeholders across the project. Let's now take a little deeper dive into the BIM 360 Glue and BIM 360 Build offerings so that you know what they're all about and what's included in them. Coordinating trades and designers is consistently identified as the highest value BIM workflow among general contractors, subcontractors, and fabricators. Project teams can save many millions of dollars on a project by identifying and resolving problems between participants and fixing them before they get on site. Coordinated multidisciplinary data is a core requirement for many workflows throughout the project lifecycle: design, pre-construction activities like quantification and scheduling, fabrication and offset manufacturing, and construction workflows like layout, installation, and commissioning. Owning the coordination space is a gateway to other opportunities among Autodesk's target construction customers. And with the next generation platform, we're offering the model coordination module within BIM 360 to support BIM coordination workflows during the detailed design and fabrications of a product. Of course, this is all built on top of the common data platform exposed in the document management module. By building on top of the common data platform, model coordination offers the level of sophistication around document handling requested by our customers. Administrators can configure the document management library to support the organizing principles of their projects, such as company or trade, and coordinated data will be available to other BIM 360 feature modules that are utilizing the common data platform, such as field management. Today, BIM 360 Glue offers coordination tools that have limited integration with the site-based installation and commissioning workflows of products like BIM 360 Field. But by delivering coordination as part of a full lifecycle platform, BIM 360 customers will benefit from coordinated BIM data being fully accessible to the field-based activity, plus other valuable pre-construction and construction workflows. Features such as coordinated model listings, which let you view the latest coordination data, see who contributed the latest model version, which company they belong to, and when it was uploaded. A single project coordination space, which means that all BIM data on a project can be positioned relative to each other, moving away from multiple isolated merged models on a project. And the model coordination module moves project teams towards the vision of a true virtual building site. Do things like multi-model aggregation, selecting multiple models and viewing the aggregate in a single coordination space, and a very powerful large model viewer display. And with the power of the cloud, by deploying Clash as a service, we can automate what are currently manual processes. Clash analysis will now take place when data is published to BIM 360, interpreting the impact of changes and triggering resolution workflows among the project team. This transforms coordination from a reactive to a proactive process, and the hours customers currently spend manually classifying, grouping, structuring design data to support their construction workflows can now be reduced by automating many common activities. Clash results will be displayed in a matrix that show coordination of modules across all disciplines. The color intensity of that matrix cells are going to signify where the most clashes exist and most attention may need to be paid. And as you start to drill into the clashes, you can group all clashes associated with single objects and drill down to the individual object clashes. The BIM 360 Build offering supports construction processes on the job site, keeping the whole project team on track and always using the current information thanks to the common data platform. BIM 360 Build offers robust capabilities for project management tasks like RFIs and submittals, as well as field execution workflows like quality and safety programs and daily reporting. As with all of the next generation modules, information is stored centrally in the common data platform, ensuring accurate and up-to-date information to workers on the job site, whether they're accessing data on their laptop or mobile device. The real power of BIM 360 Build comes from its ability to help our customers move past the app for that approach to managing processes and information through a wide variety of applications used for common tasks. BIM 360 Build brings all of these together in a single solution, with all information stored and accessible from the common data platform. Earlier, I talked about the risks of data errors and omissions that result from data silos and handover information between teams and applications. With BIM 360 Build, the likelihood of these issues can be lessened by keeping all project information in one place, always up to date, no matter how many people are involved in the process. So let's now look briefly at some of the supported processes and workflows in BIM 360 Build. Previously a part of our BIM 360 Docs offering, the process of RFI creation and management is now supported as part of the BIM 360 Build product. RFI approval flows can be defined at the project level, and RFIs can be created with the drop of a pin within a drawing. As they are reviewed and approved, co-reviewers can be added, and all activity is fully tracked through completion. Submittals are required primarily for the architect and engineer to verify the correct products and quantities will be installed in the project. In the case of shop drawings, for example, they are used to verify what the contractor intends to install meets the design intent. As you can see, this process involves a large number of stakeholders in the project. And BIM 360 Build supports the submittals process by organizing individual submittals and creating packages for review and approval. Centralizing this process and keeping it in context with all of the other project information simplifies this critically important but complex process. As construction on the site happens, issues are identified that have to be addressed and oftentimes assigned to a subcontractor. With BIM 360 Build, issues can be easily created from a mobile device or at a laptop, details added to the issue, and assigned for completion, including all review steps. Sortable and filterable issue logs help make it very easy to see what needs action and what has been completed. Another example of the benefits of using a single application for the whole build process, information for daily reporting can be quickly added every day, all from a single user interface. This helps note everything that happened on a given day on the job site to validate things like time and material invoices from subs, and know that you have a record of what happened every single day. The most important program for any construction company on any project is their safety program. While quality programs protect profitability, safety programs save lives. And all contractors have a set of safety programs. It's not a question of if, but how. The best safety programs are those that break out of the traditional way of working, where safety is the responsibility of a single person and teams reactively respond to unsafe outcomes, with all the knowledge and experience being locked up in that quote-unquote safety guy. Instead, proactive safety programs enable all project teammates to effectively participate and take ownership of safety on site. This is where both positive and negative behaviors, including root cause, are recorded, and safety data can be analyzed for trends so that unsafe behaviors can be prevented. This is the type of program that leads to safety projects where root cause is understood, culture is proactive, and the team is overall more productive with their time. With simple and accessible checklist tools available to the whole project team on the devices they carry with them, BIM 360 Build can help build conformance of safety programs on the job site. Checklists are the heart of any field management product, and we've made the process of building checklists incredibly quick and, dare I say, enjoyable in BIM 360 Build. Stored templates, drag and drop functionality, and a host of response types can easily be configured. And you can easily import checklists that have been created in the classic BIM 360 field project to avoid duplication of effort. You can create safety, quality, commissioning, or punch list checklists, and start with a template or customize and build from scratch, and search, sort, and track checklist completion once it's been assigned. Let's just take a summary look of how access to these new packages is going to happen for our existing customers. Existing Glue customers will maintain their access to the classic BIM 360 Glue product while gaining the ability to use the new model coordination module, as well as get access to the common data platform. The transition for BIM 360 field customers to BIM 360 Build is simple. Existing BIM 360 field subscribers will maintain their access to BIM 360 Field while gaining the ability to use the new field management and project management modules, as well as access the common data platform. For BIM 360 Doc subscribers, as they renew, they will continue to experience the same functionality in the document management module that they've experienced before, with the exception of RFIs and submittals now requiring the BIM 360 Build package to utilize. I want to close out, leaving you with some additional resources to look at. Our BIM 360 website at bim360.com now offers comprehensive product and workflow content with the new packages for both construction and design personas. We've also begun to update our sales materials in support of the next generation platform, and data sheets, presentations, and the next generation platform guide are part of a larger package that we'll be releasing in the coming weeks. All of this information is available in the BIM 360 treasure map on one team source. I encourage you all to go take a look and stay up to date as new materials are published. We're really excited to get this into your hands this year. To summarize, Autodesk is targeting specific personas with our new packaging, supporting the workflow needs that they have during the phases of the project they are working on. For contractors who need to work with subs and trades to coordinate multidiscipline models, we offer BIM 360 Glue. For construction project teams working with 2D sheets, 3D models, or both, and who need to improve collaboration and decision-making on the job site, we offer BIM 360 Build. And all of these powerful capabilities now take advantage of the common data platform in BIM 360, with BIM 360 Docs being the entry path to start taking advantage of this platform, getting the right data to the right people at the right time. So in closing, what's the BIM 360 platform mean? All project data collected in a common data platform. Frictionless data flow from design to construction. Data-driven decisions replacing last known information. Teams and data across the project lifecycle connected and coordinated. And more predictable and profitable project outcomes. This is what the BIM 360 platform can offer. And we look forward to working with you for a great year ahead as we bring this new platform to market. Thank you.